Namaskar students. Good evening, good morning students, good afternoon students. Namaskar students. Now we study about the difference between electric force and gravitational force. As we know about electric force and gravitational force then, but we know difference between electric force and gravitational force. Now we study about it. In the difference about the difference of electric field and gravitational field. First of all, as we know, a mass of the block is what is the mass and anybody is the carry charge q naught. As you know, q is charge, q is the charge, and as you know, m is the mass. Then force due to the charge is known as electrostatic force. Force due to the charge is known as electric force, but force due to force due to the mass is known as gravitational force. Force due to the mass is known as gravitational force. As we know, the gravitational force is a weak force. Is a weak force. A weak force, and it is compared to the electrostatic force is strong force. Electrostatic force is compared to gravitational force is strong force. And in other words, when a common mass is placed at one position and onto this another position distance between them, then the force between them is G1 2 divided by R square. As you know, gravitational force is always in negative direction. Sorry, always attractive. Negative. So what is the negative? Is attraction between attractive force. But in the case of the charge of the body, then Q charge is placed one position and another Q2 charge is placed another position distance between now. Then the force of the electrostatic value of the force of the electrostatic is K Q1 Q2 by R square. As you know, distance in both are, but here a constant is gravitational constant. Constant is gravitational constant. It value of the gravitational constant remains same in each condition, but here constant is Coulomb constant. What is the constant? Coulomb constant. As we know, Coulomb constant is not for all, not for Coulomb constant is not same for all type of the medium. It depends on the permeability of the medium. Mu r is the dielectric constant. What is the epsilon naught r? Sorry, epsilon r. Epsilon r is what is the epsilon r? Dielectric constant. What is the dielectric constant? Well, the dielectric constant vary with about different material, different medium. Then epsilon r is equal to 1. What is the force in water? About what we thinking about water, but epsilon r is infinity format more matter for matter. First of all, we about gravitation. Gravitational force is due to the mass, but is electricity force due to the charge. Gravitational force is weak force as compared to the gravitational force. Electric field is strong. Electric force is strong force. Formula of the if someone place a position and to place at the R2 position from M1, then the force between them is G M1 M2 divided by R is in vector form in negative sign is applied. In this case method, it means gravitational force always attractive in nature, but electricity may be attractive or may be because it depends on the nature of the charge Q1 and Q2. And difference if the medium time then the gravitational force to remain constant, but electrostatic force change. बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स। धन्यवाद। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट। वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।